It's actually very straightforward to install the Dynasonics TFX-5000 on an HVAC system. There's no requirement to cut the pipe, shut down the system, or drain the plant at all. And it can actually be undertaken very quickly by one operator in probably about an hour's work.
In general, as long as the installation criteria has been implemented, and as long as the installer is able to use the SolarQ setup software, it is not a long process and very simple to do. I think the main benefit from my point of view is the costs of draining down a flow circuit and the associated downtime and inconvenience for the building operators. It takes away all of that.